my name is Sarah Myers, and I am an elementary education special ed major at Wilmington University. I am taking this class because it is a part of the Child Advocacy Certificate, which I'm going for throughout my undergrad while I complete my major as well. So a little bit about me: I start student teaching through the year-long residency program this coming fall at Town Point in Dover, Delaware, which is where I live with my mom and dad and my older brother. I have a twin sister at the University of Delaware who is majoring in wealth management. And since it's summer, I have big plans. I'm going to Germany here in the next week and a half, and we'll be staying for about 3 weeks. I'm visiting my boyfriend in Ramstein, who's stationed there in the Air Force. I have 2 dogs at home, a Chihuahua with a missing eye, her name is Sunshine, and a Havapoo Pomeranian mix, and her name is Molly. She's cute. In my free time, I like to go shopping. I'm kind of a homebody, so I like to stay home as well. I binge watch on Netflix like everybody else, and that's about it. So, thank you.